If you're building a website in GoDaddy, one of the most important things to understand is how navigation and menus work. Your menu is the roadmap for your visitors, and when it's organized well, it makes your site easier to use, more professional, and much more effective at guiding people to the pages you want them to see. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to work with navigation and menus in the GoDaddy website builder step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is access the navigation panel inside your GoDaddy website editor. Start by logging into your GoDaddy product page. Once you're in, scroll down until you find Websites plus Marketing, then locate the website you want to edit and click Manage. This takes you into your site dashboard. From there, click Edit Website to launch the visual editor. Once the editor opens, look to the right-hand panel and make sure the website tab is selected. That's where you'll see your site navigation list, which is basically the menu structure for your website. This panel is where all the menu building happens, so it's important to know where it lives and how to use it. Every page, section, link, and drop-down menu can be managed from here. If your header menu looks empty, cluttered, or out of order, this is the area you'll use to fix it. Now let's talk about adding items to the menu. To expand your navigation, click the plus icon at the top right of the navigation panel. This is the Add Item or Add Page button, and it gives you several different options. GoDaddy lets you add 4 main types of items here. You can add a new page, link to an external website, link to a section on your site, or create a drop-down menu. A new page is the option you use when you want to create a brand new page inside your website. A link to an external website is perfect if you want to send visitors to another site, like a booking platform, social profile, or partner website. A link to a section is useful when you want the menu item to jump to a specific part of a page instead of opening a separate page. And a drop-down menu is what you use when you want to group multiple related pages underneath one main heading. Drop-down menus are especially helpful if you want to keep your header clean and uncluttered. Instead of showing every single page across the top navigation bar, you can place related items inside a submenu folder. This is a great way to organize services, product categories, or resource pages. To create a drop-down menu with internal pages, click the plus icon and choose Drop-Down Menu. Then type a short menu title such as Services, About, or Resources. After that, you'll see an option to select drop-down pages. Check the boxes next to the pages you want to appear underneath that menu. Once you've selected the right pages, click Create Menu. GoDaddy will now build the drop-down for you, and you'll see it appear in your site navigation list. From there, visitors can hover or tap on the menu title and see the pages grouped underneath it. This is ideal if you want to make your site feel more professional and easier to browse. You can also use drop-down menus for external links. To do that, create a drop-down menu without selecting any internal pages, then click Create Menu. After the folder appears in your navigation panel, click the settings gear icon next to it and choose Add Link. Enter the title you want displayed in the menu, paste in the external URL, and then click Create Link. This is a smart option if you want one main menu item with several related links underneath it, even if some of those links go outside your website. For example, you could have a resources menu with links to a blog, a YouTube channel, or an affiliate page. As you work with your menu, remember that navigation should always be simple and easy to understand. Use clear labels, keep the number of top-level items manageable, and group similar pages together whenever possible. The goal is to help visitors find what they need quickly without feeling overwhelmed. Once you've set up your navigation, take a moment to preview your site and test every menu item. Make sure pages open correctly, drop-downs display properly, and external links go to the right destination. A clean and well-structured menu can make a huge difference in how people experience your website. And that's how you work with navigation and menus in the GoDaddy website builder. You learned how to find the navigation panel, add different types of menu items, and create drop-down menus for both internal pages and external links. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more GoDaddy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.